Hello everyone, I'm Airav and you are tuned in to the 671 episode of our Here and Now podcast. Today, we bring you the latest buzz from the insurance industry. So let's dive right in. Our first story today comes from Outlook Money, featuring insights from our very own Dr. Tapan Singhel, MD and CEO of Bajaj General Insurance. He raises a critical flag regarding India's ambitious Viksit Bharat 2047 goals, citing two modern risks that could derail progress: AI-induced job losses and soaring medical inflation. He argues that as the nation marches towards becoming a developed economy, these emerging threats pose significant challenges to financial stability. With AI potentially disrupting the workforce and healthcare costs rising at an alarming rate, the narrative is shifting from mere growth to resilience. He emphasizes that insurance and financial planning must evolve to protect individuals against systemic risks, ensuring the country's economic targets remain achievable. Moving on to our next story from the Financial Express, authored by our very own Amarnath Saxena, Chief Technical Officer, Commercial, at Bajaj General Insurance. The article examines how financial innovation can tackle climate change, noting that India experienced extreme weather on nearly every day of the first 9 months of 2025, causing massive loss of life and property. In this context, the author highlights parametric insurance as a critical lifeline to cushion the blows from climate-linked events. Unlike traditional insurance, which requires a detailed assessment of losses, parametric insurance relies on measurable data triggers, such as rainfall levels or temperature thresholds from sources like the IMD. This allows for automatic payouts, either a proportionate amount under the strike method or the full sum under the exit method, once a threshold is breached. The writer notes this innovation is particularly beneficial for gig workers and farmers, providing immediate financial relief without the weight of lengthy claims processes. Furthermore, standardized property insurance policies, such as Bharat Griha Raksha, are highlighted as essential complements to cover physical damage. Our next story from the Business Standard discusses a regulatory development that could reshape the banking sector. The focus is on the move toward risk-based premiums on deposit insurance and how this shift is set to test banks' fundraising abilities. The implementation of risk-based premiums means that banks with higher risk profiles will pay more to insure their deposits than safer banks. While this encourages better risk management, it also puts pressure on banks, particularly those with weaker balance sheets, to raise additional capital. This could impact their lending capabilities and profitability, marking a significant shift in how banks manage capital adequacy and operational strategies going forward. Our final story today from MSN covers a strategic partnership in the life insurance sector. Bajaj Life Insurance has partnered with an insurtech platform focused on covering entrepreneurs. This collaboration aims to bridge the protection gap for the business community by leveraging technology to simplify the insurance buying process. Entrepreneurs often face unique risks and irregular income patterns, making standard policies less accessible. By joining forces with an insurtech player, Bajaj Life intends to offer tailored digital-first solutions that provide financial security to business owners, ensuring that their ventures and families are protected against uncertainties. And with that, we conclude today's episode. We hope you found these in-depth updates helpful and insightful. As always, our podcast, Here and Now, will continue to bring you more such stories from the world of insurance. Until then, take care, goodbye, and have a great week ahead.